How to complete the new SBA business loan application. The SBA has changed the website where you can apply. That is lending.sba.gov. After you get on that website, you would log in and you would be redirected to your dashboard. When you get here, you'd click Search Disasters to apply for assistance. You'd enter in your state and county. And click Continue. We are doing the business application, so you would select business. And this can also be for nonprofits. Now select what type of loss you've experienced. Click physical damage, continue. Select the disaster in your area. We are doing severe storms and flash flooding, but you can apply for both. When you get to this page, you'd click Apply for Assistance for this disaster. You'd select the business loan application, click Next. Select your business type. Select how your business filed their tax returns and click what your role is in the business, owner or authorized employee. Then click Next. When you get to this page, you would click I have read and understand the disclosures above. Click Next. Now select all that apply. What items were damaged or destroyed? If you own the real estate of your business, you would click the structure of my business. If you lease it, you would not click it. Always click business furniture, equipment, and or inventory. If you have any vehicles under your business's name, you'd click that as well. If not, you'd leave that blank. And always click loss of working capital, for also called economic injury. Click Next. When you get to this page, you would click Add Primary Property. Enter in the property location of your business. And select if you own or lease the business property. Then click Save. Then click Next. Now select the disaster you're applying for. We're applying for the floods disaster, but as I said before, you can also apply for the fire disaster declaration and click Next. When you get to this page, you would enter in the legal name of your business, enter in your NAICS code, and a NAICS code is the industry description that best describes your business. Enter in how many employees you had at the time of the disaster event, business start date, or primary business address. Enter that in as well. And then click Next. When you get to this page, you would click the red Add Info button and look for any red stars. Title, enter in what applies to you. Scroll down. Please provide an address where you are able to receive mail. If it's the same as the primary residence, you'd click that. If not, you'd enter in the address you are able to receive mail and click Next. When you get to this page, it'll ask you, do you own more than 50% of any other business? Click yes or no. It'll ask if you are a United States citizen, yes or no. Are you married? Yes or no, and click next. When you get to this page, it'll ask you demographic information. You do not have to answer it. It has no bearing on the loan decision. And click Save. Then click Next for insurance information. If you have any insurance, you would click Add Insurance. If not, you would check I acknowledge that I do not have insurance coverage, and click Next for background and delinquency information. When you get to this page, you would just check yes or no, and click Next for primary contact. Who should be the primary point of contact for your loan application? You would choose yourself. What is the best address for receiving mail about your application? You can either choose the primary address or enter in another address, and click Next. When you get to this page, it'll say no documents required at this time, and click Next for summary. And when you get here, you would go over your application, make sure everything is correct. Once you get to this page, you would click I attest that I have reviewed and confirmed the information and is accurate and ready to be reviewed by the SBA, and click Submit and Continue to e-sign. Once you've clicked that, it will redirect you to DocuSign, where you would sign the SBA policies and a request for tax transcript form. Once that's completed, you have officially completed the business loan application, and you would go to your messages in the SBA portal, and you will know right away if you are denied. If you are not denied, you will get a message for a loan verification. Good luck, everybody. Peace.